In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to add page number in Google Docs. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into the document and then just simply go into the page in here that you would want to start the counting on. For example, here in page 3. So I have now my cursor right here. So position your cursor on that page. Next is that you want to go into insert right here on the top left and go into break. And then from here, you want to click on section break next page. And then you'd now be able to see that it created a new page right here. So for this one, you can just go into that page and press the delete key on your keyboard. And then you will now be able to delete that page if you don't want it. And then next thing is that you want to go into insert again. Make sure that your cursor is still here. And then go into page numbers and select the page number format that you would want. You can go for more options if you'd want to. But as for this one, I am satisfied. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to simply just select a format right here. Now, once you have selected a format, you should now be able to see these headers right here at the top of per page. And you can see the counting right here, and it started in the first page. Now, if this is not what you want, so you would need to go here into the page that you would want your counting to start. So just like what we have discussed earlier, it starts in page 3. So what you need to do in here is that you want to uncheck the link to previews and it will now be gone. But don't worry, you can just click here on options, go into page numbers, and from here you want to make sure that you select this option, start at 1, and click on apply. And then you'd now be able to see that it is now right here. There is 1, 2, 3, and so on. So it would now continue until the end of the page. So that is how you'd be able to do this. And then you can just delete the others right here, right there. So it's now gone, and you have now successfully added page number at the page that you would like to start. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.